So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing the connection error, fail to establish network connection in your Helldivers 2 game, so guys watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video why this error is coming on your Helldivers 2 and what's the solution of this problem. So guys you can watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, today many people facing this problem in Helldivers 2 because the reason is today Helldivers 2 and the PlayStation servers is down right now, and this is the reason why you are facing this error problem in the Helldivers 2 today. The red line is at the up, it means today many people facing this problem in Helldivers 2. So what you have to do, so guys, this is the server issue, and the Helldivers team and the PlayStation team working on fixing the servers of the Helldivers 2. So guys you have to wait for some minute or an hour because in the fixing of this server issue it may take some minute or an hour. So guys you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and after some time this problem is automatically solved by the Helldivers 2. And if you guys having any other problem, you can comment me. To like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.